Hey there, welcome to GreenNest_Daily. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and, subscribe for more awesome content. So, have you ever thought about growing your own fresh veggies right at home using just kitchen scraps you'd normally throw away? I actually tried planting 7 different types of kitchen leftovers over the course of 10 days, using simple containers and a bit of soil, and honestly the results were beyond my expectations. Some scraps even started sprouting in just a few days. Let me show you exactly how you can do this step by step. Okay, first, I took some ripe tomatoes, carefully cut them open, and scooped out the seeds with a spoon. Then, I washed the seeds thoroughly to get rid of that sticky pulp and any leftover tomato bits. I soaked them in warm water for a whole day, which helps with germination, and then planted them in some fresh soil. After about 5 days, tiny green sprouts clearly appeared, showing the seeds were growing well. For peppers it was almost the same method, but wow, peppers sprouted even faster. Green tiny sprouts showed up within just 3 days. So I cut the top part of the carrot and placed the cut side on some moist soil. Within about a week, thick green leaves grew from the top. I took the white roots, planted them in soil, and made sure to water them every day. After just 4 days, new growth started, and I could actually reuse it in cooking. So, the potato that had started to sprout was carefully cut into several pieces, making sure each piece had at least one healthy sprout or eye. The cut pieces were then left out to dry for about 2 days, allowing the cut surfaces to heal and form a protective layer before planting. After planting them in the soil, I was amazed to see that in just 7 days, fresh green leaves actually started to grow above the soil. I took a clove with roots and just planted it directly. In less than 5 days, a strong green sprout appeared, which is pretty cool. I cut the bottom part of the lettuce head, put it in a cup of water by the window. After 3 days, new leaves grew, and then I planted it in soil. The result? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to GreenNest_Daily for more amazing plant hacks.